from last game's starters. No, si Jericho Nianan, who isn't suiting up today. Magbe-birthday si JR bukas. Yung anak niya naman ang may birthday ngayon.
Oh, okay.
So, Arminion leaves it to Machon. Jumper from Mike off the glass and in. That's TJ Pido sa gitna. Pido, Lepalam right in front of him. Nasa ilalim ang bola. Beichong to Canaleta off the glass and in.
Which is exactly what we were discussing. You move that ball around with the perimeter you've got.
Beichong to Canaleta. Alonte nakawala. That is short. And Beichong cleans it up. Dennis Santos. And then ang ball pressure sa taas. Santos with a turnaround shot. Off the glass and in para kay Dennis Santos. Sayon, Boss Monchi. Hope you're doing okay. Your team's doing fine. But Ladis Lepalam knocks down the jumper.
Ladis Lepalam even way back.
Kenny Roger on the run. Finds Alonte, who will wait for friends.
Good shot.
Fires a
Good
three,
shot.
and he puts it in.
I like that shot by Ronnie Alonte. I mean, there was nobody right in front of him, and you know you've got that shot.
Of that, JJ Pido. Nice bounce pass to Beichong. And Beichong banks it in.
Well, in as much as we talked about Andre.
Oh, Manliguez rises and scores.
Well,
Daryl Manliguez. Tukatakutan. Three-pointer.
There you go. Now that's gonna be a problem.
Pamboy attacks the middle. Pamboy lays it in for two.
Actually, isa yan sa mga strength ng Binyan.
Estre. Pamboy Raimundo quickly to Junji. Junji, the fadeaway is good.
Junji is one of those bench guys for Estrada. Sorry, it's not Pastoran.
Hindi pa nga pinapasok si Estrada.
Right.
De Chavez for three. Yes.
Yeah, I rest my case. He's one of the top trailer guys.
Go for the last shot here.
Oh, good skip.
De Chavez. That's two straight to get his shot off.
But he's 2 out of 2 now.
Oh. Here's Maestre. Has to fire and hit. Mike Maestre with a final say in the first quarter. 21-20. This end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Then you'll get your playing time. So it doesn't matter superstar ka man o hindi. Oh, good finish right here.
What a play. Maestre. Good Ladera trying to get in position. Natapik ni Pamboy Raimundo. Takbo si Peña Redondo. Joseph Peña Redondo puts it in for two. And Binyan is up by 5. And those makes were coming off turnovers. De Chavez again.
Oh, man.
Oh boy, he is. Peña Redondo is open for 3. Wala. Agawan sa rebound. Maestre puts it in +1. Five seconds to shoot for Val City. Santos leans in, shoots, and banks it in.
Staying composed.
Ahead to Ruka Curva. Back to Canaleta. Pretty play from Binyan.
On that, a floater or what have you, but if he does, then there definitely is the next guy that's gonna be free. I mean that.
Kay Manalang.
Good swing.
Ruka Curva to Canaleta from the corner. That's good.
Well, you just love players to move that defense, a lateral pass. A lot of times that's late.
10 points now for Canaleta, and Ruka Curva goes all the way to the cup.
And that's been pretty much how the game's gone. I mean,
Valenzuela dito sa Brenzigiao Convention Center, but look at Kenny Ruka Curva.
wow.
Palpal lang inabot ni Dennis Santos. 39-28 lamang ang Binyan. Canaleta, backdoor, Ruka Corva. 13-point lead for Binyan. Armenion sneaks in for the two.
They are in terms of preparations for this season.
Halyari with a fadeaway, and Kenny Ruka Corva has Mashon on the run. Mashon will finish. Well, that was a gamble.
Right.
Tapos na 6'4", 6'5".
Oo.
Ruka Corva na hindi nga 6-footer as Razona lays it in.
Well, finally they get a basket.
The halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original. Will attack. Wala. The tap goes to Andre Armenion. Payawal ahead of the pack.
There you
CJ
go.
will finish with the left hand.
There you go. At a certain point in the first half, and it's good to see that back for Val City.
Ruka Corva
Ooh.
sticks it in. +1. CJ Payawal drives off the glass and in.
Well, you can tell CJ means business now in this quarter.
No go. Armenion. Drop
Nice
pass
pass.
to Payawal. Kapos. Another opportunity. Mike Mashon refusing to give up.
Yeah, and Mike stayed the course ng stats niya. It's in the second.
Oh, Ruka Corva, give and go. Ruka Corva with a hang time move.
You got to be mindful where that inbounder is. That time around, Kenny taking advantage.
8 points for Ruka Corva. De Chavez knocks it down.
That's almost a layup for Chris De Chavez. Leaving opportunities for Val City.
Armenion, two-man game with Mashon.
Wow.
No! And you can flex, young man.
Oh, pwede talaga.
Na entra zona. Makes his move.
Ganda.
Nice drop pass to Payawal for two. DJ Payawal with
Ang katawan, pero very conscious sa mga cuts itong si Trazona.
and Ruka Corva answers right back. Amboy. Canaleta
Oh, man.
will fire. Yes! Easy. Tapat sila eh, except kay Alabanza.
Alabanza, yeah.
Here's Manliguez sneaking in for the 2 points. Meron na siyang 4 na puntos. Gets the rebound. Takbo ang Valenzuela. De Chavez, the extra pass to Ryan. Oh!
Wow.
No, Corva. CJ makes his move, spins. Yes!
All day. All day.
Mashon, the hook.
Oh,
Yes! And we are
wow.
tied at 56.
And twice those passes came from Trazona.
Points off turnovers, 14-5. Manliguez, sinusubukan ng depensa ni Pamboy.
Yeah.
What a shot, Daryl Manliguez.
That's twice already, Sedelf, we've seen that post-up action between Manliguez and Pamboy. He knows
The lead right now.
Yan ang tinatawag na magic bunot.
Pido inside, good look to Maestre. Ang ganda ng gather, ang ganda ng finish.
Yeah.
And of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. And the Hero still on the floor. And Diego as well. JJ Pido rather. Nakakailan na ako ha, JJ Pido.
Magminte si Pido doon.
Well, katakutan.
There you go. Both man and ball. And yan ang difference pagka baseline out of bounds. Marami kang knockout.
Oh! Brian Bolivar. Robbie for 3.
Oh.
Finally! Robbie Manalang.
On scouting, if Mike Mashon puts the ball on the floor on the post, then we, double him on the second dribble. Oh!
Great spin. May Poy Aktob. 2 points.
On this 8-point deficit.
De Chavez knocks down to 3.
5 from 3.
JJ Pido. Aktob for 3. Ganda ng sagot ni Poy from the corner. I mean, whoever Coach Boyet has picked out of the bench. 8-point lead. Payawal. The kick out to De Chavez. Back to CJ for 3. Yes!
That's big.
74.
Here para sa Valenzuela underneath.
Pido Maestre rises and puts it in. Oh!
Wow.
Mike Maestre with a strong move, but
Very few dribbles no? Really catch, finish, catch, finish. Now, ang tanong dito, how now will you defend against that two-man game? There's another one right there.
Impayan inside. You know, a lot of it. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Poy Poy!
Oh, wow.
Three-pointer para kay Poy Poy Acto. Benian pulling away late. Pido. Nice pass. Oh, wow. Rodriguez. They go to Katakutan. Yes, Acto. Katakutan. Long 2 is good.
There you go.
Oh, 3. That was a 3.
Yeah.
Okay, Chavez for 3. That's off. Ladis de Palam with a putback. Inside, Maestre. The icing on the cake. So final quarter.
Yeah. It was actually the second and the fourth quarter that mattered in this match. Both in those quarters, ang baba ng pinuntos ng Val City.
Oh, and our best player of the game brought to you by Buenas, Mike Maestre. I love this version of Mike Maestre.
Yeah.
Finishes at the rim. Really smooth stroke from beyond the arc. The free throw shooting has also been decent, but the activity on the defensive end, the rebounding, has remained the same para kay Mike Maestre. Our final score, 88-77, is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.